The next classification technique is random forest. Random forest is an ensemble of decision trees. An ensemble denotes a model that combines predictions from different models. So, for a random forest, multiple decision trees are created and all of the trees make a prediction. A majority voting is used to determine the prediction of the random forest. The decision trees should be uncorrelated. That is, they must not make the same kind of mistakes so that correct predictions reinforce each other and errors cancel out each other. So this is how this reinforcement and cancellation happen. Look at this. There are three decision trees, each with an accuracy of 70, 70 and 60%. So these three combine to produce a random forest of 80% accuracy. So this is because all three models do not make an incorrect prediction for the same observation. That is, they don't make the same kind of mistakes. So how do we ensure this? By using a technique called bootstrap aggregating or bagging in order to generate uncorrelated decision trees. So it is used to create a large number of trees that are different from one another by using a random subset of training data and a random subset of predictor variables for each tree. So please note that not all predictor variables and all data are used for each decision tree. Only a subset of the predictor variables and a subset of training data are used for each decision tree. So coming to the pros and cons, random forest has all the pros of a decision tree in addition to being more accurate. On the con side, since a large number of trees may be used to make the final prediction, the results may not be very easy to interpret. Okay, so now we have seen three classification techniques: KNN, decision tree and random forest. We shall not be going into the other models where the theory is a bit more complex and less intuitive. But RapidMiner Go provides the option to choose any classification techniques. You can choose whatever technique you want, compare the predictions on the test data and choose the best model. If you want the results to be easily interpretable, you go for a decision tree or a logistic regression. So personally, I choose to go for a random forest almost always. It gives a very high accuracy most of the time. No imputation scaling required, no need to exclude any variables or anything. Whereas, say, logistic regression makes a few assumptions about the data. It assumes data has a normal distribution, it expects outliers to be removed, etc. There are support vector machine and neural networks. So these are advanced algorithms capable of producing high accuracy, but it's not preferred when we need the results to be interpretable. So these two are known as black box techniques since the results are difficult to interpret. Okay, so in the next video we shall do some classification using RapidMiner Go. Just Google for RapidMiner Go and create an account if you have not done so already.